Carpet cleaners have gotten way more powerful in recent years, and if you've got pets, heavy foot traffic, or carpets that just never seem to stay clean, the right machine can make a massive difference. Today, I'll be reviewing the top 5 best carpet cleaners of 2025, from compact options made for quick messes to professional-grade machines designed to pull out deep, stubborn dirt and odors. Whether you're refreshing your living room, tackling pet stains, or giving your whole home a deep clean, there's a model here that fits your needs perfectly. And as always, the best deal links are in the description below if you want to check out any of the cleaners featured in this video. Now, let's get started. On number 5, we have the Shark CarpetXpert. This carpet cleaner is built for deep cleaning, and the first thing you notice is how aggressively it pulls dirt out of your carpets, not just surface debris, but all the grime that's been sitting there for months. Shark's CarpetXpert technology uses a high-speed brush roll, a power spray high-pressure system, and strong suction to lift everything in one pass, and honestly, the difference is visible almost instantly. What really sets it apart is the Stain Striker system. Instead of premixing solutions yourself, the handheld tool automatically combines 2 stain-fighting chemicals and unleashes an oxy boost on contact. Think pet urine, old drink spills, tracked-in mud, the tough stuff most cleaners struggle with. This thing actually eliminates them, not just masks the smell. Pet owners especially will appreciate how well it handles lingering odors from pets or even smoke. Shark also includes a helpful set of attachments for couches, area rugs, stairs, and upholstery. So it's not just a floor cleaner, it's a whole home cleaning tool. And despite its strong suction, one of the biggest perks is how fast your carpets dry. It avoids that heavy soaking some cleaners leave behind, meaning you can walk on your floors again much sooner. Overall, the CarpetXpert is a great starting point in this lineup if you need powerful stain removal without stepping into professional-grade pricing. It tackles everyday messes, pet accidents, and deep grime far better than a typical upright cleaner. Number 4, BISSELL TurboClean Pet XL. This is the kind of cleaner you reach for when you want something lightweight, easy to handle, and fast, but still powerful enough to deal with real pet messes. One of the biggest perks is how much time it saves. With its 10-inch cleaning path, you're covering more carpet in every pass, which means you finish big rooms faster without constantly going back and forth. Even though it's built for speed, it doesn't skimp on deep cleaning. The 4-row deep reach power brush digs down into the carpet fibers to pull up pet stains, dirt, and even dander allergens that vacuums usually leave behind. Pair that with BISSELL's Pro Max Clean and Protect solution, plus the bonus Pet Stain and Odor plus antibacterial formula, and you get noticeably fresher carpets, not just cleaner looking ones, but carpets that actually smell better too. It's also designed for real-life homes where messes don't just happen on the floor. The included 3-inch tough stain tool and the spraying crevice tool make it easy to clean stairs, pet beds, furniture, and those spots along baseboards where grime tends to collect. That extra reach definitely helps if you have pets that claim every corner of the house. Another convenience you'll appreciate is the 1-gallon clean tank, which cuts down the number of times you need to run back to the sink for refills. It seems small, but during a full house clean, it makes a big difference. At number 3, we have the ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus from BISSELL. This carpet cleaner is a strong pick for homes dealing with deep, stubborn messes, especially from pets. It's designed for heavy-duty cleaning, but stays surprisingly easy to use. Powered by turbo-strength motor technology, it delivers strong, consistent suction while staying quieter than most heavy-duty carpet cleaners. With its 35-foot cord and 8-foot hose, you get plenty of reach without constantly switching outlets. Where it truly stands out is its ability to handle extreme stains and odors. BISSELL calls it their best carpet cleaning system for tough pet messes, and it lives up to the claim. It can even eliminate skunk odor. The 12 rows of dual dirt lifter power brushes in max clean mode dig deep into carpet fibers to pull out embedded dirt and lingering smells that regular cleaners often miss. But everyday cleanups don't always need that kind of intensity, and that's where Express Clean mode comes in. It's perfect for quick refreshes, leaving carpets dry in about 30 minutes, which makes it easy to clean before guests arrive, or after a sudden mess without waiting all afternoon for floors to dry. Overall, the ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus strikes a great balance between professional-grade cleaning and everyday convenience. Number 2. BISSELL Revolution HydroSteam. The Revolution HydroSteam steps things up with cleaning power you won't find in any other carpet cleaner on the market. If you deal with tough, sticky, or deeply embedded messes, especially from pets or kids, this machine is built to out-clean traditional models by a wide margin. Its standout feature is HydroSteam technology, making it the only carpet cleaner that uses steam-assisted cleaning to break down stubborn, stuck-on grime. In Steam Wash Max Clean mode, it delivers 2 times better cleaning, pulling out deep dirt, stains, and allergens that have settled into carpet fibers over time. For those messes that feel impossible, dried spills, sticky residues, tracked-in gunk, Steam Pre-Treat mode helps loosen and penetrate the worst spots so the machine can lift them out with far less effort. It's especially effective for old stains that have been stepped on or left untreated. Despite all that power, the Revolution HydroSteam is surprisingly convenient for everyday cleaning. Switch to Quick Dry mode, and your carpets can dry in about 30 minutes, making it ideal for fast refreshes and busy homes. Overall, the HydroSteam delivers a level of deep cleaning that standard carpet cleaners simply can't match. With steam-assisted stain removal, strong suction, and quick dry times, it's a near-professional machine that still fits into routine home maintenance. That combination easily earns it the number 2 spot. On number 1, BISSELL Big Green Professional. The Big Green Professional is the gold standard for deep carpet cleaning at home, the kind of machine people buy after realizing rental cleaners just don't cut it. This unit delivers true professional-grade results, built for heavy-duty power, speed, and reliability. Right away, the Big Green stands out with its 12-amp motor and rotating dirt lifter power brushes, which dig deep into carpet fibers to pull out embedded dirt, old stains, and grime you may not even realize is there. Unlike smaller household units, it cleans on both the forward and backward pass, covering more ground and extracting more water, giving you faster dry times than most cleaners. Its 1.75-gallon clean water tank and large dirty tank let you clean big rooms with fewer refills, which is a major convenience during whole home cleaning sessions. BISSELL also includes its 2X Professional Deep Cleaning formula, giving you the same cleaning strength found in rental machines. For detailed work, the Big Green comes with a stain tool for upholstery, stairs, and hard-to-reach spots. The cleaning solution loads directly into the tank for a smooth, no-fuss workflow. Overall, the BISSELL Big Green Professional sets the benchmark for deep cleaning performance.